I found God when I lost my religion. Since I started Kemetic-centered living, I've experienced so many people stating that a major revelation they've had after having the courage to leave the religious dogma behind is that they feel so much more connected spiritually. It's a feeling of relief and freedom to simply live in a way that's congruent with their being. I don't know how many times I've heard, "I'm so glad I found Kemetic-centered living. This is what I was looking for." As Christians, we're taught to believe that superficial things like going to the church building, praying a certain way with specific words, adhering to certain organizational structures are what spirituality is about. But what you find after you leave religion is that your personal journey is unique and has nothing to do with the dogma we were taught we must follow. If you have to sum up the difference between Christianity and Kemetic spirituality, it's this. Religion is developing a relationship with a God outside oneself. Kemetic spirituality is about living life in a way that recognizes the divine within you. We find God within us and tap into that power in a way that is uplifting and beautifully profound. We gain confidence, boldness, and an attitude that I can create and live my life on my terms. I don't have to please anyone. No more living through fear and anxiety, hoping I'm doing it all right so I can be saved. We recognize that we are God in human form with the right to exist as is. We are divine. Yes, when we leave religion, we actually find God within ourselves. Please like and share this video with anyone that will be expanded by it.